We are students at the Vet Center Dual in the course of Automotive Mechatronics Technician, and we are going to show you how to recharge the air conditioning in a car. First, we are going to locate the high pressure and low pressure ports. Then we connect the hoses to their valves. Now we start the process of gas and vacuum recovery. This process takes 30 minutes. We proceed to the injection of gas, oil, and ultraviolet additive. The quantities must be according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Now we start the engine of the vehicle and turn on the air conditioning. The high pressure manometers go up and the low pressure manometers go down, as you can see. Then we check the temperature with the air conditioning on. Finally, we remove the hoses and do a leakage test with ultraviolet light. We take this opportunity to thank both Dual and her employers for our internships.